The verb to be is a very common verb in English, and we use it in many situations. It's used to describe who or what someone or something is. Let's look at the forms of to be. I am. You are. He, she, it is. We are. They are. These forms change depending on who we're talking about. Let's take a closer look. In the present tense, to be changes depending on the subject. Here's a simple breakdown. I am used when you're talking about yourself. For example, I am a student. You are used when you're talking to someone. For example, you are my friend. He, she, it is used for someone else or things. For example, he is a teacher. It is a book. We are used for groups, including yourself. For example, we are learning English. They are used for groups of other people or things. For example, they are students. Now, let's practice saying these forms together. Repeat after me. I am. You are. He is. She is. It is. We are. They are. Great job! Now that we know the forms, let's see how we can use to be in different types of sentences. When we use to be in positive sentences, it's simple. Here are some examples. I am happy. You are a good friend. He is a doctor. We are students. They are in the classroom. Let's practice these sentences. Repeat after me. I am happy. You are a good friend. He is a doctor. We are students. They are in the classroom. Awesome. Now let's move on to negative sentences. To make a sentence negative, we add the word not after the verb to be. Here are some examples. I am not tired. She is not here. We are not late. They are not ready. Repeat these sentences with me. I am not tired. She is not here. We are not late. They are not ready. Great work. Using not is a simple way to make sentences negative in English. When we ask questions using the verb to be, we simply switch the subject and the verb. Here's how it works. Am I late? Are you ready? Is he at home? Are we friends? Are they here? Well done! Asking questions with to be is easy once you know the structure. Let's have a short conversation using what we've learned. Imagine you're meeting someone new. Here's how the conversation might go. Hi, how are you? I am good, thank you. And you? I am fine. Are you a student? Yes, I am a student. Are you? Yes, I am. Now it's your turn. Try practicing this conversation with a friend or in front of a mirror. That's all for today's lesson on the verb to be. You've done an amazing job learning how to use it in positive sentences, negative sentences, and questions. Keep practicing and you'll be an expert in no time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more English lessons. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.